I'm Stacy and Stephanie. Today we're going to make SOOYOOK. SOOYOOK is braised meat, but we usually use this pork belly. Yum! There are many different ways to make SOOYOOK, but today we're going to show you the simplest version using only soy sauce, Coke, and instant coffee. Yes, you mix everything into the water and just boil it. Wait 30 minutes and your SOOYOOK is ready. Yeah, so should we start? Yeah, so let's begin.
So let's start with the ingredient. You need 1 onion, 10 garlic cloves, and 3 to 4 bay leaves. There's not much a recipe for today because it's very simple, but I'll tell you some tips. Here's pork with a knife so it can thoroughly cook. Just like that. And the other side. Well done. Bring a big pan and put the pork, onion, garlic, and bay leaves. Today we're gonna use all the ingredients as a whole. Pour the water until the meat is covered. And remember 3 simple ingredients today. Use 1 cup of soy sauce, pour it, and you need 1 cup of cola, and pour it, and a spoon of instant coffee. It will enhance all the good flavor of pork. So let's cook on high heat for 20 minutes. Smells so good. And we're going to turn it over and cook it for another 20 minutes. It was hard because that piece was too big. Use a chopstick to check if it's fully cooked. And try it again. If there's no bleed coming out, it's fully cooked. It's all done. Bring it over to the cutting board and slice it. Very easy. Look at that. Yum. Slice this into bite-sized pieces. Just like that. That looks so juicy. So all done. Our SOOYOOK is ready. Yay!
So in 30 minutes our SOOYOOK is ready. Yay! 잘 먹겠습니다. Don't have the big piece.
Oh, it smells so good.
The Coke helps it to get caramelized. It's brown, a little crispy and jelly. It's so good. I'm gonna try with this kimchi. Guys, you don't need any sauce for this. It's already seasoned so well. So yummy. It's very juicy, tender, and chewy. And the suyook always go well with kimchi. Well fermented kimchi.
I hope you enjoy watching our super easy recipe today, and we're gonna come back with even better recipe next week. Don't forget to like our video, and if you have questions, please comment below. And please subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. Bye.